morning. I am going to talk today about how to be successful in life. And to be successful in life, there are some points which we need to really understand. That first, today, this session will be focusing on what exactly we should not do in order to become successful. So the first point which I would like to stress today about will be the gambling part. That we should not do gambling. We should not get involved in gambling. As you all are aware that many a times it happens that for fun we start with this habit and then slowly and gradually we get habituated, rather we'll say addicted. So gambling should be completely strictly no to become a successful person. Then comes no to drinking. You should be not drinking. You should say no to drinking, as we all are aware that drinking has got adverse effect on our physical health, and at the same time it really creates a bad impact, on our mental health as well. So we should say no to drinking habit. Then comes your character. You should be really very strong with your character. As the saying goes, that if wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. And if his character is lost, everything is lost. So we should be always fair to our partner, and we should really stick to a strong character person to become successful. Then next point which I would like to take about is daytime sleeping. Daytime sleeping should be avoided. However, people they say that while working we can take a short nap. Taking a short nap can be max to 5 to 10 minutes. But if you are stretching yourself, then it will be actually coming under the category of daytime sleeping. You will feel lethargic, and again it is a source of addiction. Every now and then, whenever that particular time will come when you might have slept earlier, you will feel like to sleep. You will start dozing off. So it's always not to say yes to sleep and say no to sleep. So do not sleep at the daytime. Then comes too much indulgence in your hobbies, especially singing and dancing. See, there's no harm doing anything a little, but if we are focusing too much on our hobby when we are students, then it really brings a bad impact on our preparation towards our academics. Hence, it should be done as a relaxation therapy. If we get indulged into dancing and singing, then what we do is that we miss upon our classes. We start disliking the studies because we find no more fun in studies. Hence, we should try to control it only to the sense wherein we can have a break, a short break, but not more than that. That we are focusing only on the competition, which is known as extracurricular activities, rather than focusing on our academics, which is very important for our life. So these few points, if you keep in your mind, you will be definitely become a successful person. And one more point I want to stress before I leave is playing instruments. Everybody is into hobby classes. Few people like playing piano, few people like playing violin, some are interested in playing guitar. Maximum are interested actually playing in guitar, and some in synthesizer. But then this stress buster at times takes toll on our education. Reason being is that we get too much inclined in impressing others, that we focus only on playing instrument rather than focusing on our studies. So if you really want to be successful in your life, you want to become a guitarist, it's okay. But right at the moment, if you're pursuing any of the courses, you should focus on that particular course. And playing guitar should be coming as a reward to you when you are attaining your short-term goals and your long-term goals. So I would like to wish you all the best for your successful career. So hope you understand that what are some important things which we should not do in order to become successful. In our next session, definitely I will be exchanging some more tips which will be shorter but to the point, in order to make you a person who can balance EQ as well as IQ. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.